want to support and dedicate efforts into the platform of the South by Southwest here in Austin, because we truly believe it's a fantastic format where we can get into contact with people who normally would not join us on automobile affairs around the globe. So that's the one aspect. The second aspect is it's a perfect chance for us to get in contact with technical startups, young entrepreneurs, interesting people, and as well maybe find the one or the other joining us as a company.
We ended up at the keynote over. I know it's not nice. Up and do the thing. That is pretty bitchin'. And then go ahead and set it down.
Well, doing the first meet convention in Frankfurt was really a leap of faith that paid off big. You know, it worked out really well. Everybody had a great time. It was very successful. It's a great partnership between South by Southwest and the folks at Mercedes.
There we go. It's fine. There you go. So black rock, black stone, black magnet, black olives, black final negative energy, not negative meaning dark, negative meaning using different things like optical essential oils, try using less coffee and stimulants. Use peppermint oil to have mental clarity. Use lavender oil to relax. Unless you're super tapped in, you don't feel the difference. Feel the difference in
Well, two great platforms are coming together. The South by Southwest with 40 years of experience in terms of music, film, and in the last years, of course, talking about interactive. That's a great community which is already existing. And during the last year, we began talking to each other whether it could be a great combination, bringing Mercedes into the game and building something new for Europe.
One of the reasons why we are here at the South by in Austin is really to identify what are the trends for mobility in the future. So thank you very much, Jill, and hello everybody. How are you today?
And here's powering already 4 of 5 in-car navigation systems.
And essentially like animals crossing streets in the middle of the road.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming, thanks for listening. Have a great day in Austin.